So I've been diving into this alpha product for Neovim, and it's pretty interesting how the AI workflow is changing.
Right, the way it integrates prompts now requires starting with that. That's a big shift in how we interact with it.
Totally, it's like they're trying to streamline requests, but can we really expect users to adapt quickly to that?
I get that, but it could also help clarify the inputs, right? Less ambiguity in commands could lead to better outputs.
That makes sense, but what about the fact that APIs could disappear at any moment? That feels a bit risky, doesn't it?
Absolutely, that raises concerns about reliability. Users need stability, especially when building workflows.
And this whole alpha product label feels like a double-edged sword. It invites experimentation, but also potential frustration.
True, it's like you're playing with fire. They acknowledge that things could break, which is refreshing but also scary.
Speaking of risks, I'm intrigued by the debug feature that's planned. I wonder how that will affect user experience.
Right, debugging is crucial, but I hope it's user-friendly. If it's too technical, it might alienate casual users.
Exactly, it's like if you take your smartphone and add a complex feature that only techies understand.
And then you lose the average user. So this AI agent is supposed to be what Neovim deserves, but for whom?
Great question. Is it really for seasoned developers or should it cater to beginners too?
It should aim for balance, I think, encouraging skill development while remaining accessible.
Right, but how do you maintain that balance? The requirements for configuration seem pretty intense.
For sure, requiring open code installation is a barrier. Some might just give up before they start.
That's a missed opportunity. If it were easier to set up, more people might jump on board.
And what's with the warnings about prompts being temporary? Shouldn't users have a reliable set of features?
Totally, it feels like they're saying use at your own risk. That's a hard sell for any tool.
Plus, they mention potential severe problems. That feels like a red flag, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm skeptical. They need to ensure stability before pushing users to adopt.
And those usability issues like long function definitions, they can't just ignore that.
Right? If something as common as function definitions is problematic, that's a huge oversight.
Exactly. It could make coding feel frustrating rather than empowering.
I wonder if they'll address these issues in future updates, because right now it feels incomplete.
It's a work in progress for sure, but they do have a plan to engage users through public discussions.
That's an interesting approach. It could foster a community and bring in valuable feedback.
Absolutely, but only if they genuinely listen to what users are saying.
But what happens if they ignore feedback? It could lead to a disconnect between developers and users.
That's problematic. If users feel unheard, they might abandon the tool altogether.
So it's a balancing act, right? Between innovation and maintaining a stable user experience.
Definitely. And they need to communicate clearly about changes to keep users informed.
Communication is key, especially when users are expected to troubleshoot with logs.
Yes, providing easy access to logs is great, but they should also make it clear what users should do with them.
Right? Giving users the tools without direction is like handing someone a car without a manual.
Exactly. So, we've talked about a lot of uncertainties. What's the most exciting part of this for you?
Honestly, the potential for a tailored AI experience is fascinating if they can get it right.
Totally. If they can address these concerns, it could elevate coding workflows significantly.
It's like a glimpse into the future of coding, but we need to navigate these hurdles first.
Right? So, if they can balance user needs and technical innovation, we might see something revolutionary.
But until then, I guess we'll have to wait and see how they evolve this project.
Yeah, it's an ongoing journey, and that uncertainty makes it all the more interesting.
Definitely, let's keep an eye on this and see how it develops. Who knows what's next?
Agreed. I'm excited to see how this all unfolds and what impact it has on the coding community.
Me too, but it'll be crucial to remain critical and watch for those potential pitfalls.
Absolutely. Keeping a curious but cautious mindset is the way to go.